Hi viewers, in this video I'll explain about basic Arduino programming in Tinkercad platform. Here you can use this Tinkercad platform to get the basic idea about the Arduino board, that is Arduino Uno, and how to program with the Arduino Uno. Now by using this Tinkercad you can do the 3D designs. This is useful for the mechanical students. If you want to do any work with the Arduino, select the circuits option. In that, create new circuit. Automatically it is going to store your designs, save your designs in your account. Here I'm directly logged in or sign in into this Tinkercad. You can use your Gmail credentials to sign in into Tinkercad. Now whenever you click the new circuit design, it will this window will open, and here you can observe few options: code, start simulation, export, share. Here you can export your design and you can share your design to your friends. Now the here you will find the so many components. In the basic components there are LED, resistor, push button, Arduino board. A few sensors are available: ultrasonic sensor, PIR sensor. Here as the starting video on Arduino. Here I will explain few things about this Arduino. Simply you can do the drag and drop. Here it is the Arduino Uno board. On the top, if you observe, there are 6 analog pins, A0 to A5, 14 digital pins, 0 to 13. And this controller, this is the controller. Uh, it is from the Atmel. Now one thing you need to notice here, this 13th pin, digital row 13th pin is directly connected to onboard LED. Here L is the onboard LED of this Arduino board. Now after that, here by using this rotate option you can rotate these components. By using the mouse scrolling you can zoom this one, zoom in, zoom out. Now once you select the required components, once come to the coding part, here in Tinkercad you can do the programming in block level and block and text, as well as in text. Three modes you can do. My suggestion, choose the text. Why? Because in practically if you are working with the Arduino board, block level programming it won't works. That's why my suggestion, go for the text. Here it is Arduino program is similar to the C programming. In C also we are going to initially we need to define the header files, and after that void setup and void loop. And here the starting program I'm explaining with the LED blinking. For that one LED I'm going to take, that LED is connected to the pin 13, that is the output pin. LED is the output module, that's why output pin. That is always the input and output pins we need to define in void setup. In void loop, digital write 13th pin we are sending high, means LED is in on. Delay 1000. Here 1000 means 1000 millisecond, means 1 second. After 1 second again we are sending digital write 13 low. To the 13th pin we are sending the low. Again we are providing the 1 second delay. Now whatever the program you are written in void loop, continuously it is going to execute. That is, you can call it as an infinite loop. Future we are going to use the while loop, and here continuously it is going to execute. Now this program, if you place any errors, after that if you use the start simulation it will show you some errors, coding errors. Here is the basic program. Once the coding part is completed, next go to the start simulation. Now here you can observe the onboard LED. Only you observe the onboard LED. Now this high level program that is going to dump into this controller. Once the dumping is completed, now it will show you the output. Here is the output. Now LED is doing the switching on and off. Digital right is high, LED on, digital right is low, LED off. Here, this LED, onboard LED, by default it is connected to the digital pin 13. If you are not happy with the onboard LED, here this code, you make it visible or invisible. Here you make it simply clicking that code. If you wanna connect with the external LED, you can use the external LED. Now it has the two terminals, cathode and anode. Cathode you connect to the ground. Yes, connect to the ground. And to protect the LED, you drag this one. To protect this LED, I am placing one resistor and connect this resistor. After completion of connections, you can change the value simply by double click on the resistor. Here I am keeping the 220 ohm resistor value. Now same program I am using, LED blinking, but now 13th pin we are connected to the outside LED. Now both the LEDs, onboard LED as well as external LED, both are doing the switching action, you can observe. Now this is about the basic programming in the Arduino in Tinkercad platform. I hope this video is helpful for the beginners who are starting work with the Arduino board. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, you can visit www.tln.co.in. Thank you.